I think the thing about Biden not driving the F-150 Lightning is false. I think he really was driving it. I think that was a fake video. I think the F-150 Lightning is a good second step for Ford, but they got a long way to go. I think it's very, very heavy. Oh, at Vegas Loop, how do they transport people in electric wheelchairs? I'm not sure of the answer to that. What I heard was that the Model X's in the Loop are handicap accessible. I believe because of the air suspension, it allows them to lower access to get in, and because of the gull wing doors, it probably makes it easier for the
What up, everyone? What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's going on, everyone? What up? Where is everybody? Oh my God. Where are you guys? What's going on, guys? Where is everyone? What's happening in America? Is there some kind of festival going on? What up, guys? What happened today? What happened with Bionano Genomics today? Hey, Huberto. Mexico. Shout out to Huberto. Shout out to Mexico. Binod. What's up, Binod? What's going on? What is going on, guys? Let me put a music. I am feeling good right now. Let's put a little bit music. Netherlands. Beautiful country. You're my neighbor. What's going on, everyone? I am so happy that you guys are introducing yourself. Huberto. I think I'm gonna, start making a list of my subscribers because I would like to connect with you guys. Binod, Huberto, Binod from Mexico, Binod from Netherlands, and Huberto from Mexico. Nice, Mexico. What's up, guys? What's up? Please drop a like as you come in. Drop a like so that the YouTube algorithm can pick up this video and share it with other BNGO investors. Today, guys, I found a new stock. Okay, I found a new penny stock, and I'm gonna be, before I tell you guys more about that stock, I'm gonna first of all put together a due diligence, and I'll try and do that next week. I wanted to make a video about that stock today, but I think I'll just take my time. Gibson, what's going on, Gibson? So I think I'm going to take my time. I'm going to put together I'm going to put together a due diligence, couple of pages. Maybe I'll be able to put together at least 15, 20 pages due diligence about this new company that I just found. Of course, it's not a new company. It's a stock that I have been following for a while now. So I would like to, share it with you guys. Perhaps you might be interested, okay? Because, every day I follow more than 100 stocks, and I right now I'm talking only about BNGO on this channel, okay? So I don't think I'm going to be talking about any other stock on this channel for now. I'm going to, move over to my second channel. I think there's a link to my second channel below. So in my second channel, that's where I want to be talking about every other stocks, okay? And as you guys know, I mean, I don't just want to talk about any, like any stock. I don't just want to talk about Apple, Amazon, or Facebook, or, something like that. I want to talk about something that, is related to the medical industry, because it seems this is this sector is something that I am kind of passionate about somehow. It seems this sector is my calling. So yeah, Emmanuel Igwe. What's the waiting they happen? Oh my god, Emmanuel. Guys, for those of you that have no idea what is Igwe, Igwe in Nigeria, Igwe is a king. They call a king Igwe, and this is these tribes is known as Igbo, and Igbo is like 35% of Nigeria. Nigerians. What's the trading app you use? So the trading app I use is eToro. Okay, I use eToro because I am based in Germany, and eToro is they are kind of secure. They are safe. I have been using eToro since 2016. Even though they, from time to time they have their own issues. If you want to day trade, eToro is a very bad place for you to day trade. Okay, eToro is bad for day trading because if you are trading, for example, oil or gold, sometimes sometimes when the liquidity is not available, they are not gonna open the market. For example, sometimes if Bionano Genomics, for example, is opening with a cap up, eToro is they are going to lock. They are not gonna open the market. So if you want to be a long-term investor, eToro is a very safe place for you. But if you want to day trade, eToro, I am not gonna recommend eToro. Trading 212 is also okay, but I don't use it. I mean, I have a profile on Trading 212, but I don't use it. I don't use it. Yeah. Nice question. If you guys have any question, I mean, I'm here. We can always talk about something else apart from BNGO. So BNGO, so I have a new stock that I am going to work on, towards the end of next week. I'm going to put together a due diligence. So if you are watching me right now, I think I have like 6 viewers right now. So you guys you might be the lucky ones. So this stock right now is a penny stock, and I mean the company right now is trading in it. I think the market cap is less than 200 million US dollars. The market cap. And when I found Bionano Genomics, the market cap was also more or less in that range, 200 million US dollars. When Bionano Genomics was trading in less than $1, it was trading at 50 cents, 60 cents when I found it. So I'm gonna be talking about that second stock on my second channel, and hopefully it's going to be something profitable. Okay, because nobody knows tomorrow, but I'm still gonna share it with you guys. So yeah, what's going on, guys? What's up? So I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I have like 7 people viewing this channel right now. 7 people on the live stream. So I'm gonna wait a little bit before I'm going to talk about BNGO. I'm going to be online for the next 40 minutes. I can be online till like 12 p.m. because right now it's 11:21 p.m. in Germany. So I'll try to be online till 12 p.m. Then I have some other things to do. But tomorrow morning I'm going to record a video about BNGO and what you guys should expect. Okay, what you should expect. Tellurian Inc. I've never heard of that before. Let me check it out. Tellurian. Let's take a look at Tellurian. I mean, you guys can always, drop your stock and we can always look at them together. I'm always looking for the next BNGO. I am always looking for the next BNGO. I've been a fan of I'm a fan of Tesla. I'm a huge fan of Tesla. I used to own a blog, about Tesla. Okay, and I used to get thousands of views on my article, but then I switched over to Bionano Genomics, and I started to make video about Bionano Genomics. When I was covering Tesla, I was not making video about Tesla. I was just blogging about Tesla, like writing articles. I was posting at least 5 articles every day about Tesla. So volume 10 million. So I'm checking out this stock right here, Tellurian. I think I know this ticker Tel, but I didn't know the full name is Tellurian Inc. Let's take a look at Tellurian. It seals long-term LNG supply deal with Vital. Okay. At Morgan Stanley on improved outlook. So it went up 22% 7 days ago, last week, 22%. 12 billion deal on supply LNG. So this more or less a natural gas supplier, something like that, yeah. Tellurian shares slipped after the liquefied natural gas bill. 10 years agreements to supply energy trading firm Vital. So I'm going to take a look at because I'm always looking for, because I major in automatic and robotics when I was in university. So I am always looking for more or less a tech stock, okay, more like a technology stock or something that has some futuristic company. I shouldn't say tech, but somehow Bionano Genomics, there's some automatic artificial intelligence involved in Bionano Genomics, and I have never even spoken about the AI side of Bionano Genomics. I've never really gone into deep into the Sapphire device, how it works and so on and so forth, because Bionano Genomics are not really sharing much information about that with us. So this okay, this looks like a double bottom. If you go to the weekly candlestick, this right here looks like a double bottom. I would be buying this stock in 2020. I would be loading up on this stock in 2020 when it was trading around 0.65 cents. Wow, that's this right here is a very good place to load up on this stock. Okay, Emmanuel. Excuse me, guys. So if you take a look at the weekly candlestick, you can easily see that this was a double bottom on the weekly. Double bottom. And the volume, you guys can easily see the volume, went up massively. Let me zoom out a little bit and look at the MACD. Look at that. Look at the MACD also. You can see the MACD. So I'm going to show you one thing. I mean, if I would, right now it is a little bit too late for anybody to jump on this kind of stock. I mean, in terms of technical analysis. So this is what I'll be watching out for, Emmanuel. This is what I'll be watching out. Let me show you what I'll be watching out for if I want to, jump on this stock. This is what I'll be watching out for. That's the first line. Here we have the second line. So there is a breakout. This right here is a breakout from 3 weeks ago. That is the breakout from 3 weeks ago. You can see bam. So if I would jump on this stock, 3 weeks ago was also another perfect time to jump on this stock. And okay, I have to accept that this looks like a buy. Okay, this looks like a buy in my opinion. But before you jump on this, guys, this is not financial advice. Okay, I'm just trying to share some educational content with you guys. Don't sue me if anything goes wrong with this company. This more or less oil and gas company. So this is what I'll be watching out for. You can easily see that last week, this candle right here, let me make it bigger a little bit. This candle is trying to break out of here. You guys can see the moving average. This is the 50 days moving average. Okay, we touched it, the price touched it last week, and then it touched it again this week. You can see there's some kind of resistance going on around this level. Let me see if I can find ellipse. Okay, I found it. So you guys can see that there is something going on around this level. So if we manage to break it to the upside, this 5.17 US dollars, then there is a possibility to see 6.3 US dollars next. Okay, there is that possibility. So Emmanuel, I think it's a good one to watch. You can easily keep your eye on it. This is the weekly candlestick. Don't forget. Oh, I was saying 50 days moving. This is 50 weeks moving average. So if you switch over to the dailies, you can easily see we have a lot of noise going on. There are a lot of noises here. Okay, so if we manage to break out of this zone, then in my opinion, I could play with this with a little bit money. Let me take a look at I'm going to switch over to the 4-hour candlestick so that we can see it a little bit clearly. So this right here is the short term. You can see the short term flag. There is a flag going on. Let me remove this ellipse. So there is a flag. Bam, 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 bam. There is a flag going on. If this price managed to, break out to the upside of this flag, then in my opinion, I can easily jump on this one. I think it's a quick profit. And where would I put my stop loss? Okay, should, in case everything goes wrong, I'll put my stop loss somewhere around somewhere around $4. If the price of this stock goes below $4, then I would get out. Okay, I would get out. So if you want to day trade this, Emmanuel, if you want to day trade it, so I would put my stop loss around this level, $4. Okay, that's what. Oh, you guys can easily see. I didn't even know there was, you guys can see $4 used to be a resistance. You can see, bam, bam. Then we went back down. Then bam, it broke it. So $4 is a strong resistance, and it should provide a strong support for the price. Okay, so if the price comes down to this $4 level, I would be watching it. Okay, there is a possibility that the price is going to come down to $4. In worst case, because whenever you break a resistance, it has to come back and retest it. So maybe this candle right here already retested somehow, but I'm not really sure. So there's a possibility that the price will come down to retest this $4, and that should provide a good opportunity to buy this, to invest in this company, for example. So yeah, but if this resistance right here, if the price gets above this resistance, it could come down and try to get out of this resistance. Okay, if the price gets out of this resistance, out of this channel, then I think it should go up easily, because we have similar situation with Bionano Genomics as well. Hey Christy, what's going on? What's up? So I'm not gonna tell you the name of the stock right now. I want to take my time to build a little bit due diligence, document about the company, because I don't just want to make a video, a 10-minute video. You are welcome, Emmanuel. You are most welcome. I always tell you guys, we can always share idea. We don't need to only talk about BNGO. We can always share ideas, okay, about other companies. So back to Christina's question. I want to build a little bit, few pages, like 15 or 20 pages, on the new company that I want to make video about. And of course, it's not going to be on this channel. It's going to be on my second channel. I just want to leave this channel, on Bionano Genomics for now. That's what I want to do. Even though I'm not getting enough, traction or attention, or my videos are not getting enough views, because, the BNGO community, you guys, you should know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna leave the channel for BNGO only for now, and I'm going to talk about the second stock on my second channel, and hopefully, it's going to be a profitable one. Yeah. What's going on, guys? Where are all my subscribers? Oh my god, where are all my subscribers? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? I have about 30 minutes left to be live. I'm going to talk about BNGO a little bit, because the stock went down like 1.67% today, like 13 cents. And you guys should remember, what my price target for Friday is. I think I've been repeating it over and over and over again. Okay, my price target for Friday. Tomorrow is Friday, guys. Tomorrow is Friday. Let's take a look at the dailies candlestick. The dailies. I've been saying it since Monday. Since the price went here, I've been saying it. What my price target is. What's going on, fams? Please introduce yourself if you are joining us, and please drop a like, okay, so that the YouTube algorithm can pick up this video and we can have more of our members join us. Okay, what's your name? Where are you from? What are you doing here? What's your question? What are you buying? What did you guys buy today? What did you sell today? We have a lot of company going crazy today. Let's take a look at the stock market map and see what's happened so far this week. Stock market map. Look at that. This is from today. 1-day performance. Look at that. I mean, biotechnology sector, where is it? Biotechnology sector, was more or less mixed today. Why is Bionano Genomics down? I mean, I was super shocked. I'm still gonna talk about it, towards the end of this video. What happened today and why I was shocked. Okay. Look at the sector. This is the biotechnology, the healthcare biotechnology sector. You guys can see that most of them closed green today. Most of them closed green. Some even closed 6.4%. Look at that. Look at SYN. SYN closed 14% today. I'm gonna write it down so that I think we need to be checking out, all other stocks that are going crazy in this sector. We have to. I believe we are all here, to learn one thing or the other. So SYN closed today. Oh my God! Wait a minute. Oh, what's wrong with my mouth? So SYN closed today 14%. 14% today. That is big. And IOVA closed today 12%. 12.11%. So we need to check out these two companies. Now, which one is the third one? The third one. I think those, okay, ARGX. ARGX is the third one. It's closed 6% today. ARGX. Because, guys, we have to be checking out all this company, I mean, even though most of us are super invested in BNGO, I am, looking for the next BNGO. Okugen. I left Okugen. Okugen, I used to be invested in Okugen also. I think I closed my position. I think it was 3 weeks ago. I closed all my positions in Okugen, 3 weeks ago, because Okugen at one point was, it went above, I think above $10 or $11 or something like that. Then it started to retrace. So that was when I got out of it. Now, this is the healthcare sector. So before I dive into these 3 stocks that I just wrote down, let's quickly take a look at the what happened with the market, the rest of the market. So industrials, more or less red. Energy. You guys can see energy. So the stock we just analyzed, at the beginning of this video was TEL, TELL. So TEL, I believe, is under this sector, energy sector, oil and gas integrated sector. So TEL is under the sector. So you guys can see energy sector is more or less, mixed today. I would say, I mean, not bad. So drug manufacturers, here you have Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, Pfizer, and so on and so forth. They did very well today. So financials, you guys should remember, financials used to go, when biotechnology and growth stocks were going down, when tech stock were going down, financials was going up. Okay, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citigroup, they were all mooning. Now, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's switch over to 6-month performance of the. You guys can easily see, this is the 6-month performance. Check that out. I mean, I'm not messing with you guys. Financials, I need to close this out. Financial, this is the 6-month performance of the of this market, full market. Financials was going crazy. You guys can still see JP Morgan is up 31% year to date. Bank of America is up like 44%. Citigroup is up 31%. Wells Fargo is up 55%. So you guys can see they are still performing very well. And if you come to energy sector, you can also see they are also performing extremely well. Some is, look at SSL, 94%. So now, if you come to this sector, this technology sector, you can easily see that, I mean, only few of them, more or less the penny stocks are the one performing very well, okay? And you can see Alibaba, Alibaba is even still down almost 20% year to date. Tesla is down about 6% right now. Tesla used to be down like minus 27%. Like I shared it with you guys, in one of those videos. So now let's take a look at the 3 stocks that I just wrote down. Okay, let's take a look at those stocks before we continue with our Bionano Genomics. Let's quickly take a look at these 3 stocks, guys, because you guys for sure want to make some money. So you guys want to make some money. I mean, if you play the game very well. So the first one we are going to take a look at is SYN. SYN is in the biotechnology sector as well. You guys can see, look at that. It's a penny stock, 95 million US dollars market cap right now. 95 million US dollars market cap. It's closed today at 72 cents. I don't know this company. If you guys know this company, please Emmanuel, every Monday channel was ripping into BNGO today, so I don't know if Emmanuel is saying something, if that also had an impact. I respect their opinions and investing philosophy, but they didn't do any DD on BNGO but ripped it on. Yeah. So synthetic biology, okay, SYN, guys, SYN. The volume was 8.5 today, and so I'm not gonna take a look at their financials. Let's quickly take a look at the news. Synthetic biology regains compliance with NYSE American continued listing standard. Okay, blah 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 blah. 2021 first quarter operational highlights and financial results. So we're going to take a look at this. I'm going to make this as fast as possible. Synthetic biology announced false patents dosed on phase 1 clinical trial of SYN004 Rebaxamase in allogeneic. Okay, hemato. Okay, I'm going to take a look at this. I want to see what they are doing. Synthetic biology announces 6 participants dosed in phase 1 clinical trial of SYN020 intestinal alkaline phosphatase. Oh my God, I'm gonna lose my teeth. Okay, so I mean, this is not bad. This is not really bad. So if you go to their financials, let's take a look at their financials. Okay, total revenue 0, nothing. Operating expenses, so they are spending about 9 million. Okay, this is annually. Okay, so this company need about 9.6. They spent about 9.6 million, to run their business. 9.6 million. This is on 12/30/2020. They spent 10 million US dollars in 2020 to run their business. In 2019, they spent 15 million US dollars to run their business. You can easily see they used to spend a lot of money to run their business, from 26 million. So their operating expenses has been coming down. This is not bad. Operating expenses has been coming down, but operating income, of course, is negative. I can't find anything about total revenue right here. So diluted EPS, total expenses, EBITDA minus. Okay. So more or less, this is more or less, a penny stock. They are not making any profit right now. And let me take a look at their first quarter. Hopefully, I'm going to find some information about about how much they are. Are you guys interested? If you guys are interested in what I'm showing you, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section, guys. I know you want to make some money. We want to find some stocks together. Okay, so for those of you that just joined us, I wrote down 3 stocks: SYN, and IOV. I think this, yeah, IOVA, ARGX. So I want to take a look at these 3 stocks, okay, because they performed very well today. So if you are interested, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so now let me continue. Quarter ended March 31st, 2020 financial results. General and administrative expenses increased 12% to approximately 1.4 million US dollars for the 3 months. So this company needs about 1.4 million US dollars to run their business for 3 months per quarter. From exposing 1.0 million 3 months March 2020. Okay. So 65. Wait a minute. Consulting fees and travel. The charge related stock-based compensation is blah blah blah. The research and development expenses decreased. Okay, so their research and development expenses decreased by 32%. Just like I told you guys, they are spending less money than they spent, 4 years ago. So this is 32% decrease in research and development. So that's not bad. I mean, the company anticipated research and development expenses to increase on ongoing clinical trial continue, blah blah blah. Of course, in the first quarter of each year, operating expenses is always smaller in the first quarter of every year. So other income was 347 for the 3 month ended. So they made about 347 US dollars. Oh my God. compared to other income of 38,000 for 3 months ended March 31, 2000. Okay, so in March 2000, this is funny, guys. This is funny. So in March, in the first quarter of 2020, this company made 38,000 US dollars. So they are more or less just developing their products. So now, not to waste your time, now that I know the total revenue, of course they have no revenue. So let's go to their website and I mean, this could be a banger, okay? This could be a banger. But before we go to their website, let us quickly check out the chart. I'm gonna put it to maximum because I want to see. Okay, you guys can see the chart. So more or less, this company, you know, when they IPO'd around 2006. Okay, around 2006, and they IPO'd around this level. So they must have been diluting their shares. They are living off their shareholders. Okay, this is what they have been doing: stock offering after stock offering, because they don't have any revenue. They don't have any revenue. This is the weekly candlestick. Now let's go to the dailies. Excuse me, guys. I just ate my food, so so let's go to the dailies. This is the dailies. Something happened with this stock in at the beginning of this year, January 2021. This stock went from this level, from 0 point somewhere around 0.40, 40 cents, from 40 cents to 1 point something US dollars in January. Then it came back down, and of course the stock is breaking out again. I can easily see the stock is trying to break out again. Okay, I'm going to make this as quick as possible so that we can talk about the next stock. My intention is not to stay online till past 12. Okay, this right here, guys, this is a breakout. This right here is a breakout. This is a breakout happening with this company, guys. This is the same kind of breakout that's happened. The same breakout that happened right here. You can easily see it right here. This is the same kind of breakout that happened right here. You guys can see it. And what happened? The stock went from this price level, this 0.30 something US dollars, 38 cents. It went from 38 cents to 1.7 US dollars. Okay, during this breakout in the beginning of this year. So now the second breakout, after that breakout, it's corrected, just like Bionano Genomics, and now another breakout is happening. This is the daily candlestick, and today the stock went up 14.39 percent. Today it went up like 9 cents. So I mean, now let's take a look at their product, because I am always on the lookout for any stock that is going to perform. I'm always on the look. I don't know about you guys, but I am always on the lookout for a new stock like BNGO. Let me take a look at their product. Synthetic biology includes synthetic biology. This is it. This is their website. Product pipeline. So what do they do? This more or less some kind of drugs. You have to go to their product pipeline, and you go to SYN 004 Ribaxamase. That's what they call it. So the C is the leading type of hospital acquired infection. Okay, C difficile is the leading type of hospital acquired infection, and is frequently associated with intravenous beta-lactam antibiotic treatment. Beta-lactam antibiotics are often the treatment of choice for hospitalized patients with infections. They include commonly used blah blah blah. So this product SYN 004 is designed as an oral enzyme tablet to be administered with IV beta-lactam antibiotics yellow for demonstration purpose, the blah 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 blue, and so this more or less like antibiotics oral potential therapy designed to degrade maintain the natural balance of the gut microbiome for the prevention of okay, I found it. Overgrowth of pathogen. So this is what they are trying to prevent. Prevention of Clostridial. Oh my god. Some kind of infection. Okay, some kind of infection. Clostridial, something like that. Difficile infection. CDI. That's the name of the infection. So this is what the drug is trying to prevent. Candidate pipeline. So this pill or whatever it is they are producing is about to enter phase 3. So this is possibly one of the reasons why the stock went crazy today. Okay, this is about, you can see the development stage right here. It's about to enter phase 3. Prevention of CDI. I need to read about what this CDI is. Pathogenetic overgrowth, AMR, and AGVHD in allogenic HTC recipients. Oh my guys, I need to read about this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know what the heck these people are talking about. I have to read about. What's up, Ethan? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome on board. So they have a product that is about to enter phase 3, and possibly that's why the stock went crazy today. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. I'm gonna reduce this volume. So
hospitalized patients are routinely given IV antibiotics that may be used to treat infections such as pneumonia or to prevent infections associated with surgery. Many antibiotics are partially excreted by the body through the bile and into the small intestine, where, as a result, they can upset the natural balance of healthy bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. This imbalance in the GI tract can result in the proliferation of disease-causing bacteria, such as Clostridium difficile, also known as C. diff, which in turn can lead to serious side effects, including diarrhea, colitis, and in the worst cases, death. Diarrhea and colitis caused by antibiotic treatment is a serious hospital-acquired problem that results in billions of dollars in healthcare costs annually. SYN004 is being developed as an oral tablet to be co-administered with IV antibiotics. SYN004 is intended to remain within the intestine and to degrade certain IV antibiotics that have been excreted into the intestine. SYN004 as a preventative treatment is expected to protect the healthy microflora from the overgrowth of C. diff and its harmful effects on patients. The objective of administering SYN004 with the IV antibiotic is to allow the antibiotic to treat the infection, while SYN004 protects the gastrointestinal tract from the development of diarrhea and colitis.
So that is their product, guys. That is their product. Now, this is the clinical overview. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So this is their clinical overview. Let's take a look at this. Phase 1, blah, blah. Phase 2, and phase 3 clinical program. Announced positive outcome from end of phase 2 meeting with FDA in Q4 2018. Single phase 3 clinical trial, maybe blah, blah, blah. Okay, so market need 14 million patients who are administered beta-lactam, blah, 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 annually. So now this is their addressable market, guys. If you guys are interested, let me just continue. So they have about 14 million patients out there. You know, that is their addressable market. So patients infected with C. difficile annually, 453,000 patients every year are infected with this kind of, disease or infection that they are trying to, prevent. And over 29,000 C. difficile related death annually. Wow. That is a lot. 29,000 every. It's crazy, guys. 29,000 people die every year from this kind of infection. C. difficile. Interesting. So synthetic biologics, guys, synthetic biologics, we don't need to talk too much about it. So that is our first stock for tonight. Synthetic biology phase 3 steering committee. So that's all about synthetic biologics. I mean, I'm going to follow it up, and if there is anything, for sure I will let you guys know. I think I like what I read so far, and of course the stock price, the market cap of this company, it's the market cap is just 95 million US dollars, guys. 95 million US dollars. They are not profitable. I mean, they are far from profitability for sure, but this is a penny stock. Okay, they have a product. They are about to get to phase 3 with this product. Okay, this is their candidate pipeline development stage, phase 2 right now, and they are about to enter phase 3. Once they enter phase 3 and everything is fine, if they get FDA approval, for example, they are going straight into the market. And right here you can see the total addressable market, 14 million. Okay, 14 million every year. So I think that if you this one, for example, seeing 04 entering phase 3, so this is the same, and seeing 020. So this another candidate they have, but it's still in preclinical trial. Okay, this one is still in preclinical trial. So I think they have only this product right here, only this one, ribaxamase. That is the name of the product. Phase 2, about to enter phase 3. So that's the first stock. Now let's go to the second stock. Let us go to the second stock. I'm going to show you guys biotechnology. The name is IOVA. IOVA. Let's check it out. IOVA. What's going on, everyone? Holding some scene for pennies at the moment, average. Okay, so we have somebody that is owning scene. Bad form, really? I mean, how many shares do you own? How many shares do you own? What's your average? How long have you been following this company? Is it, is it worth it? Tell us about it. Tell us about it. IOVA. Okay, so this is IOVA. Iovance. Is this I or L, guys? Okay, I think it's Iovance. Iovance Biotherapeutics Inc. IOVA. I think it's IOVA, not Lovance. Iovance. So the market cap of Iovance is 3.5 billion US dollars right now. Almost double of BNGO, and the volume is okay, and profits ratio nothing, no profit. So what else? So the stock went up today 12.11%, and I want to see their news. I want to see what they are doing. Increases response time and primary anti-PD-1 resistance in melanoma trial. Okay, 3 days ago. So something is going on with them. Okay. And Iovance Biotherapeutics announces 33-month follow-up data for leafy cell in advanced melanoma. Okay. 10 best stock to buy according to Katie Wood. Whoa, Katie Wood, 16 days ago. Okay, now they have my attention. Now they caught my attention. Katie Wood. Is Katie Wood invested in this company? Let's see, guys. Let us see if Katie Wood is into this stock. Number of hedge fund holders, 23. 10S Genomics. Number of hedge funds, 23. Pacific Bioscience of California. Twister Bio Corporation. Wait a minute. Where is it? Guys, I have to find it. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I think I passed it. I think it's somewhere up there. 10 best stocks to up. Are you guys kidding me? I think if Katie Wood is into this stock, then they, or this is not an advert. This is not an advert. 10 best stocks to put your money. I want to, copy the name of that, because this is something new to me. If Katie Wood is invested in this company, then okay, so I have it. Iovance Biotherapeutics Inc. Number 9. It is number 9. Number of hedge funds, guys. Maybe we have a banger right here. Okay. Since last year, 5 out of 7 of the hedge fund I follow hold millions. Wow, it is risky without FDA, but I am hopeful. People need to do their own due diligence. Interesting. 10,000 shares. Always, if you want to know how much I own, 10,000 shares. That's nice. That is nice. Nice one, bad form. Nice one. I'm going to follow up SYN, and maybe I'm going to talk more about it. Maybe I'm going to put a separate video about it. A separate video out on my second channel, of course, because this channel is more or less about BNGO, but somehow I don't feel like talking about BNGO for now. I'm going to record a video tomorrow, pre-market, to let you guys know what is going on with Bionano Genomics and what you should expect for tomorrow, of course. So I'm just here to chill out with you guys. I have about 12 viewers right now, so I mean, nothing extreme. Now let's continue. So guys, I think Katie Wood is invested in this company, Iovance Biotherapeutics Inc. It's a California-based biopharma firm founded in 2007. It is ranked 9th on our list. Let me remove this one so that we can see the colors clearly. 9th on our list of 10 best biotech stocks to buy, according to Katie Wood. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, now they have my attention. Now they have my attention. Iovance concentrates on the development of therapies that boost the immune system to act against cancer cells. Cancer cells. Why is this thing not working? God, I need to refresh this. Oh, guys, just give me a second, guys. I just refreshed my page because I need to be able to highlight what I am reading. I have to be able to highlight it. So here we are. So Iovance Biotherapeutics, California-based biofirm founded in 2007. And Katie Wood is involved in this one. Okay, Auntie Katie is involved with this stock. Let me use this color. Iovance concentrates on development of therapies that boost immune system. Okay, they are developing something that boosts the immune system. Therapies. They are more or less a therapeutic biotherapeutics company to act against cancer cell. Anytime I read anything cancer, my head just goes crazy. One of the reasons why I fell in love with Bionano Genomics, some of the clinical studies the company is presently involved in includes products for the treatment of metastatic melanoma. Metastatic melanoma. I don't know what that is, but of course I'm going to check it out. As well as recurrent metastatics or persistent cervical cancer and head and neck squamous cell carcinoma. I don't know why all these biologists just love using difficult words to define whatever it is they want to talk about. God, why can't they just use simple English? Iovance Biotherapeutics Inc. Posted earnings results for the first quarter of 2021 on May 6, reporting earnings per share of minus $0.51 that just missed market estimates by 0.03. The cash position at the end of the quarter was 600 and so they have 610 million US dollars in cash. Okay. Out of the hedge funds being tracked by Insider Monkey, New York-based investment firm ARK Investment Management is a leading shareholder in Iovance Biotherapeutics with 19 million shares. How is it possible that I don't know anything about this company? Worth more than 624 million US. It is impossible for me not to know about this company because I used to follow ARK Invest. Now let me go to, I want to show you guys something. Okay, let me show you guys what ARK Invest have been doing. Now that ARK Invest is involved, I have to show you guys something. So I need to go to my bookmark and ARK Holding. I know Vio. Crazy. What's up? So I want to show you guys I think they have it in their ARK Genomic Fund. ARK Genomic Fund. So let's take Ionis. No, not that one. Here it is, number 21, guys. It is it's inside the ETF, the ARK Genomic ETF, number 21. So they have about I'm gonna open it so that we can see more. So they have this stock in their ARK Genomic and their ARGX. In those two ETFs, that's where they have it. So you guys can see what Katie Wood has been doing. Shares held. So they have been buying like crazy since 2020, since December. This is August, September, October, November, December. They have been loading up like crazy. Look at that, October. From October, they have been loading up like crazy from October till February 2021. Then now they are just holding on to their position. So because the price has been going down. So guys, if you put your money in this stock, I like this company so far, since they are involved with, they are doing something that is related to cancer. Cancer is a horrible disease, guys. Let's take a look at the chart. Let's take a look at the chart. Let us take a so now you guys can easily see that the stock also went down. It came down massively. There was a massive sell off. Okay, I want to take over. I want to show you guys the look at that. This is when they EPO'd, they came down massively, and since then they have been rising steady. Okay, this in my opinion, this is a buy. In my opinion, this is a buy. So because since 2013 the stock has been going up, you know, gradually. It has been going up gradually, and then we saw this massive sell-off. From 2019, this stock has been doing nothing but going up. Okay, if you invest in this company in 2019, towards the end of 2018, if you bought in at $7, you know, the price, you know, in 2020, you would bag, you know, like, you know, the price was almost $55. So that's a solid profit. Now let's take a look at how much it's retraced. I like this stock, guys. I like this stock. I'm going to switch over to the, I need my Fibonacci retracement level. I need my Fibonacci. Fibonacci. Okay, so I have it. I want to see how much it's retraced. I want to see how much it's retraced. So this stock went down more than 70%, guys. More than 70%. It came down more than 70%, you know, from the all-time high. And on this low right here, this low from 2018. So it came down, and why it came down, of course, is something that I am for sure first of all going to, you know, dig into. So what I'm seeing so far is this, guys. If you want to, you know, first of all, I'm gonna have, if you want to invest in this company, the first thing I would advise you to do is, you know, first of all, you have to go and check out why they came down, okay, from this $50 level. Of course, you guys can easily see some consolidation here was happening, and why they came down from that $50 level is something what, you know, you have to dig it and find out. And if you take a look at the MACD, if you see the MACD is about to turn bullish, the MACD is about to turn bullish. So I think this stock has bottomed. Okay, how fast it's going to go back to $50 is the question. But in my opinion, I think it has bottomed. So maybe they are going to, maybe we'll see some kind of consolidation around this level. But I don't expect this stock to go down further than this. Okay, so maybe there will be some kind of consolidation, then breakout. So this should be a easy profit in my opinion. Guys, this is not for financial advice. Please don't sue me. If you lose some money, don't sue me. So this is what I'll be watching. If I want to invest in this company, I'll be watching the, you know, the price action, and of course I'll be also checking out why they came down, and if that fundamental has changed, you know, from negative. For sure there was a bad news, that's why they came down, or they just, you know, just a sell-off, because even BNGO came down, Tesla came down, all those growth stocks, they all came down. So maybe that's why they came down. So if there is no bad news, no fundamental bad news, then this stock right here, I don't need to repeat myself, guys. So now Katie Wood is invested in this company as well, guys. Catherine Wood, Auntie Katie, is in this company as well. And why am I opening synthetic? Where is it? So this is where Katie Wood is. You guys, I'm trying to see if I can find the average price of Katie Wood on 2021 on buy. You guys can see, so they sold in October 2020, they were selling, then they started to buy heavily from December and May. So they bought in these 3 months. Okay, so they are not selling it right now. And if we go back a little bit, I want to see their average price of Katie Wood. Weight rank across all form 34. ARK Genome, ARK ownership percentage. So ARK Invest own about 4.7% in this company. 4.7%. Short percentage. The last price. I can't find any other clinical trials. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, this is locked. They lock us out. So I think that is all about this stock. If I want to talk about this stock, I'm gonna make a separate video about it, and I'll put it in my second channel. I think the link to my second channel should be somewhere below. So if you guys are interested in this stock, please drop a comment. Let me know if you guys are interested in it. I mean, I don't even know if I'm talking to humans. Are you guys still there? Are you there? Cancer treatment for bulbar dysphasia, Inovio. Inovio is, I know Inovio. I believe the full name is Ino. I know Inovio. I want to be talking about all other companies as well, but first of all, I need to know that I'm going to have audience, because it's not easy to my second channel. I think I have less than 100 subscribers on that channel. So it's not easy to just talk about stocks that people are not going to, if you don't have enough subscribers, it's a lot of, I don't want to call it waste of time, but it's going to take a lot of hard work. Just like, yeah, I have 62 subscribers on that channel. The link is below. If you guys would subscribe, and if you want me to talk about all these other stocks, of course, I have one more stock here that I would like to talk about. ARGX. So maybe we can always because on that channel I cannot go live because I have less than 1,000 subscribers on that channel. If you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, YouTube is not going to allow you to go live. But had even they allow me to go live on that channel, I could be coming live every day, and we could be analyzing stocks together every day. Once the market's closed, we can always come online and talk about other companies, not only BNGO. All 7 of my hedge fund own this stock. Wow, you see this stock, there is something special about this stock, about this company, guys, about this stock right here, IOVA. There has to be something special about them. Okay, so let's take a look at the third stock we have on board. The talks, I would go and check out the website of IOVA, but I think time is against me. Now it's 12:10. I didn't come online to be online for this long. I have few other things to do. So ARGX, let's take a look at ARGX. ARGF. Yeah, IOVA. We just finished speaking about IOVA, guys. IOVA. You guys should, go and do some due diligence and check out that company, IOVA. The stock went up today like 12.11%. So, I mean, it may be a banger. So, let's take a look at ARGX. Where's my mouse? ARGX. It's super hot in Germany, guys. I don't even know how many degrees it's right now. Crazy. 26 degrees, guys. 26 degrees Celsius. So this is ARGX. This one is presently trading at 308 US dollars. The market cap is 15.7 billion US dollars. So far, the only company that is penny stock, the only stock we have spoken about so far that is penny stock, and the market cap is less than 100 million US dollars, is SYN. So this stock right here is, the market cap is 15.7 billion US dollars. So this is not a penny stock anymore. And let's take a look at the chart before I dive a little bit into the fundamental analysis, okay? Because I believe most of you guys have looked at that. This stock has been going just up and up and up since 2017. Oh my God. 19 US dollars in 2017. And right now, at one point, the stock was trading at 381 US dollars. Guys, this is going to be Bionano Genomics in the next 5 years. This is going to be BNGO in the next 5 years. I mean, we are going to come back. Hopefully, this channel is going to be existing. We will come back on this channel and we'll be looking at BNGO go up like this. Look at that. In 2017, this company used to trade at around this level, double digits. From 18 US dollars, I believe this when they IPO'd, it has been going only up since they went public. You guys can easily see, then bam, it went to 85 US dollars, and it has never looked back since then. It has just been going up and up. So I think last week was a perfect time to put some money into this stock. You guys can see that since Monday, it has been going crazy. Since Monday, the stock has been going crazy. So since this one is, already out of our own league, I mean, right now the stock is already 300 and something US dollars. I don't think it's we should talk about it. I don't think it's worth our time. You know, I mean, this more or less like Illumina, you know, market cap level. Chief Financial Officer regain worldwide rights to Kuza to Samba from blah blah blah. Candidate of AML can regain AML can acute mild leukemia candidate after Johnson and Johnson dismissal. Whoa. ARGX is developing kusatuzumab as potential treatment for acute myeloid leukemia. So they are developing a treatment for cancer. That is why the stock price has been going crazy. That's why the stock price has been going crazy. You guys can easily see this is another cancer developer, cancer therapy or drug developer. Biotech stock round up BIV drug approval, label expansion, and more. So that's why the stock has been going crazy. Anything that has to do with cancer, that's why this channel is only about Bionano Genomics, guys, because the Sapphire device is able to detect, you know, what is going on in genomes, and it's going to help the researchers to researchers like this company, for example, ARGX. You know, this kind of company are the ones they can also buy Sapphire and use it to analyze whatever it is they want to analyze, you know, to study whatever it is they want to study, so that they can, you know, develop some kind of drugs. So that's why I am crazy about Bionano Genomics, guys. I think that's where we're going to end it for today. So let me type the stocks right here, the stock that we just finished analyzing, SYN. And I'm going to put it on the screen so that, you know, my viewers, if they come back later and they want to see what we spoke about in this live stream, and IOVA. So guys, please, if you would like me to talk about, you know, SYN and IOVA, ARK Invest is invested in IOVA, guys. They are invested in IOVA. So if you would like me to talk about this stock, you have to encourage me. I mean, you have to drop a comment or you have to subscribe to my second channel. Then I can talk about it. I don't want to talk about it on Frunkla Investment because you guys don't want me to talk about anything else apart from Bionano Genomics, which I find very, very crazy. So this is the third one, ARGX. That is the third stock that we just finished analyzing. Okay, I mean, I didn't really analyze ARGX a lot, but from what I have read so far, they are developing some kind of, you know, cancer, AML, acute myeloid leukemia. It's some kind of hematological malignancy. Okay, some kind of, we have acute myeloid leukemia. We have ALL, acute lymphostatic or something like that, leukemia, and so on and so forth. So yeah. So I think that is it. So do you guys have any question for me? I have to end this live stream. Unfortunately, now we have about 16 viewers. I mean, at one point we were just 10 viewers for almost 1 hour. Now, anytime I want to end this live stream, that's when you guys always come online. I don't know how you do it. So those are the stocks we spoke about on this live stream. When I end it, you can easily go back and view every details that, you know. I mean, I'm going to change the title of this video to these 3 stocks. I'm going to try to include these 3 stocks in the title of this video, and perhaps I'm going to change the thumbnail as well, so that, you know, my viewers can know that this live stream was not only about Bionano Genomics. So I mean, yeah. So have a wonderful day, guys. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Ciao, ciao.